Hi, hey, hello. All right, welcome to the intro to my Boston vlog. Here's a down low. Even less clips and even more chaos. Because when we got to the city, me and her, our energy didn't vibe. So I stopped filming because I was just like, However, I did get some clips. Some of these clips are also my little sister's because she was also recording clips. And so we got in like mid-morning, we were supposed to get in at 11, but we got in at 1 because the Amtrak had a 2-hour delay. We took the Northeastern from Moyhand, the new train station. Is that how you say it? It's probably not. At like 7 in the morning, and we were supposed to get there at 11, and instead we got there at like 1:30. So Amtrak owes me points, and I'm trying to get those points because we're supposed to, fingers crossed everything goes well, we're supposed to be back in Boston in May for graduation, and hopefully then taking like the train back to New York City, doing it reverse so the rest of my family can like see New York City, because I was the only one who has seen the city. Now Tessa and I have both seen the city and nobody else has been, so they want to go, and while we're up there, you know, why not? Yeah, that's besides the point. Anyways, maybe when we go back the second time, there goes my beeper, the city and I will vibe, because I'm not going to write it off just yet. It took 3 tries for me to write off LA. Three times, and then I said, never again. Okay, never again. I hope you enjoy the hodgepodge of items, and I'm gonna shoot you that way so that you can watch them. Ready? Jump in. Jump.
Was it the mom that was singing?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's gonna go. Get a video of us walking in the rain.
Oh my god, a child! Got our coffees. They're not great, but they're not bad either. We swapped drinks. I had gotten a hot oat milk dirty chai, and instead it came out iced. And then Liz got an iced vanilla oat milk latte, and it tastes like coffee, which is good by me.
Tastes like percolated coffee. You know.
So we switched. Liz is gonna give it a shit rating, and I'm gonna give it a mid rating because I wanted it hot. It's raining.
Got a sticker too. I might take that sticker. Ooh, it smells like fish. Mmm. Look at this thing.
Any kind of place.
He did. He's been a very nice gentleman so far.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if you can hear, but they're playing Olivia Dean. I'm having a good time. Do it again. Okay.
I hope you enjoyed that, and if you didn't, live your best life, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!